everyone, how are you? Welcome back. In last two episodes, we already discussed about how use the Gemma using Kaggle. So we already discussed how can we load the Gemma model from the Kaggle. But today we are going to discuss how load Gemma from HuggingFace. HuggingFace is a very popular library. HuggingFace just like a app store. Like app store, you can download any app from the Play Store. Like this, HuggingFace is a placed app store of type of the AI model. It's an open source community. So there are a lot of thousands of the models are there. Not only models, there are data set, tools, everything is available in the HuggingFace. So let's check HuggingFace. This is a HuggingFace. From this, we can load model, Gemma, Llama, Mistral, and many types. And here, a lot of data set here. So directly you can use the data set from here. Suppose that language you want to call the English, any type of the data set, you can directly download from here. And spaces means you can upload your model. Suppose that you took a model, Gemma model, and you are fine-tuned with your language, like your Jandi language, your Marwari language, and any type of the language you just load and you trained and you want to upload your model, and then anyone can use your model and can use in their application. So spaces here, you can upload your model as well. So let's start. This is a model. Here you can find your model. You can see a lot of models are here. Embedding Gemma, Fast VLM, many. But this is my third episode in which I'm going to use, this is my third episode of the Gemma series. So today I'm going to use Gemma model. So Google Gemma. So you can see here a lot of model are here. Gemma 3, which available in a different parameter, like a 27 parameter, 4 billion parameter. In my first episode, I already discussed about, okay, we have available Gemma in different parameters. So it is just a sizes of your model. Gemma is base language model, we can say, and context information is also available, but it's available in a different sizes. So 27, if you have a good resources, then you can choose any one of the model according to resources. Here I'm going to use 1 billion parameter. So I will use the Gemma 3 1 billion parameter instruction text. Okay, let's click here. So you can see here, it's called a model card. In a model card, you can see about this model, like a Gemma 3 technical report. You can explore more information about the Gemma from here, and Gemma on the Kaggle, Gemma on the Vertex. If you are using the Gemma from the Google Cloud directly, then you can directly click on, you can call from here, there. And author is a Google, DeepMind. So here you can check all things. Okay. So you can explore the all information about the Gemma. See here, transformer. Transformers and transformer both are different words. Okay. So don't be confused with that. Transformer means this is a technique which actually get the mean, which actually check the relationship between the words. It's a use to give attention to all words. This is a technique which used in generative AI. Only transformer technique is actually main base of the all type of the generative AI, like Open AI or Gemini AI and many other things. But transformers is a HuggingFace library, which it's just a library. It's not a model. So it's just a API which used to call any model. Doesn't matter Open LLM or Closed LLM. Okay. So both type of model you can directly call with help of the transformer. But just like a API which used to load model. Okay. And pipeline is just the NLP pipeline. So this is a full detail about your Gemma model, and you can check another model as well. Okay, so let's how we will use this model in my how we use this model in my Google Column. So let's start. First of all, you have to call access token. Without it, you can't. Without it, you can't use, you don't have a permission to use this model. So we will go to the setting. In this setting side, just go down, access token. And here in the access token, you have to give your ID password. I am already registered and saved my password. Then immediately I log in here. And here are, you can see my number of tokens. So just you can create new token from here. So like you can create your token. You can keep any name, like I am keeping the XYZ. Sorry, just a minute. Delete. So token name is XYZ, and just create token, and you can copy your key from here and okay. So you can see your token here. And if you have already number of tokens and you want to see this token, so you just click here and click from here, and after that okay, and you will get again same dialog box, and you can copy your API from there as well. So this is a simple way to access the model from the HuggingFace. So don't worry. So now I'm going to my column. It's already written here because it's taking more time to compile. So that's why I have to already written the code here. So first of all, I will call the library transformer. Why already discussed? Okay, it's a use to load the model. And just avoid the version, you can call. First of all, you have to install updated version transformers, accelerate, torch, safe tensors, and bits and bytes. What is this? Actually, these all libraries actually used to load model in a safe and fast way. So bits and byte actually this is actually use the quantization method. Means if you have a 4 byte, then it will use the data in a 4 byte size. So this is a way to the quantization. So it will use to load your model fast and safe way and automatically check available GPU. So all library will work together. My second library is a sentence transformer and face CPU. Actually, my next episode I am going to explore how we build my copy bot, which already I made in my second episode using the fine tune, but could not get satisfactory answer. So that's why my next episode, my upcoming episode, I will discuss about the rack. So right now we can avoid this line. We will discuss in my next episode. Today I'm going to just load Gemma model using HuggingFace. So here you can see I just called the from HuggingFace hub. All collection of the model in place, it's called a hub. So HuggingFace is a hub of the all models. So from the HuggingFace hub, from notebook LLM. So whenever you click on this play button and it will learn, after that it will ask about your key value, token value, which just created. So just I will paste here and log in. Now you can see it's successfully logged in. If it could not, then it will get the error. Otherwise, nothing, then that means it's now no problem. Okay. Now I will call the transformer to load my model and auto tokenizer and auto model for casual LLM. I will, don't worry, we'll explain the one by one. So first of all, what is our model ID? From where I will see the model ID? So again, I will go to the my Gemma model. Here you can see your model ID. So just copy model ID from here and paste here model ID. Okay. After that, I am using the tokenizer. In my second episode, I will discuss how it's work LLM. It's text convert into the numbers. Numbers actually store as a vector form with a meanings. Okay. So we can say create it's a multi-dimensional which store the number of sentence in a same address of the same meaning. So it's a collection of the vectors and vector actually capture the meaning of the text. So every vector has a text ID and capture the meaning of the text. Text object. Okay. So tokenizer means pre-trained model ID means now this time I will use this model which take my input after convert obviously in the numerical. By the way, this process is called embedding. So whenever you input, because Gemma is a collection of the number huge or the Gemma is a LLM. LLM means large language model, which is a pre-trained model on a huge data set. So how it's trained? It's get a lot of data, convert into the tokens. Tokens like just say I, like it. So these are three words. It's a converted different. So I different, like different, this different. So convert into the token, and each token convert into the number, and number is stored in the vector, which actually not store the numerical value. It's capture the meaning of this word as well. Okay. So this is a collection of the vector, we can say. So tokenizer, this is a process. So this is follow this process. And model, auto model for casual LLM pre-trained model device map auto. That means that now I am calling this model which load in my CPU, and auto means automatically check it has GPU, then load on the GPU, and not then it's automatically detect the suitable GPU and CPU. So this is a very simple way to load your model. So first you are calling the model, and after that you are loading your model. Okay. So now whenever your model will load and come in the model variable. Okay. Now I am going to check first input tokenizer. Tokenizer first tell me something about the express copy. It will take my text and convert into the tokens. Return tensor means PyTorch tensor. That means you return the relatively means. So it has a data set already. I already told this is a train on the huge data set. So it has a data set. So this will go in the vector, which is the collection of the numerical values, go into the vector and get the meanings of the words. This is called a PyTorch. If we could not do this, then it will get only ID, means numerical value will be written. I want to get the object value, that's why they are written. And Geeta, which actually allow to use, it allow to user to use the GPU, which is a more optimized solution for computation. Now output model, this is a loaded model, which generate the answer according your input query, and max new token means you are giving the answer in a 50 tokens. Okay. So what is the process in a tokenizer? First your message to a sentence convert into the tokens, and after that it will go to the model. Model will return the relatively answer. What is the meaning? According to meaning, it will get the answer and it will generate the answer. And after that, whenever you answer, obviously this answer also coming in the vectorized form, in a numerical form. So I want to see the output in a text format. So it will be decode my output 0 and skip special tokens means just avoid unnecessary things. So it will decode your answer and it will get the answer. So let's run and check. Okay, will it give answer or not? Okay, so you can see after taking a lot of time, finally it run. And I tell me something about the espresso coffee. So espresso is a concentrated small volume coffee brewed by forcing hot water through finely grounded coffee bean. Egg product are shocked. So this is the answer which generated by model. Now you can see I deleted the CUDA because it's used to detect automatically GPU. But in my Google Colab, I don't select the runtime, means I didn't select, you can check the change runtime and you can select the GPU, but already I have a CPU because many times GPU cross the limit and create the issue. That's why I like to go with CPU, but this is a great problem with big model. Here you can see also that some parameters are on the meta device because they were offered the disk and CPU term is something, and uploaded of the disk and CPU. Means it's a create the issue with the size and everything. So it's a created the error and I deleted the CUDA, then again it's run and get the answer. From where this answer is coming? Obviously, Gemma had pre-trained data, and right now it's a generating answer on the base of the preset data. Okay, so it has already information about the copy and it's generating the answer. Here I created a chat model that here just I put it one question and tokenize and get the answer. But I want to create a chat inference. I just put it my query, it will give answer. Again, I will put the query. Again, I will give answer. Like it's called a chat format. So I can do like that. So here again, you can see same information here called the library, transformer, auto tokenizer, which already I called here. And torch one more library here because it is a deep learning framework which actually used to use in the neural network. So here same information I use. I will not come. So same information are here. You can see, and one more variable here. Chat is just a empty list in a Python. So I want to create a chat model in which we continue talking with model. Okay, it's a conversation model. So here, question, answer, this flow will be going on. So in that condition, a list box will continue store your question and responses. So that's why I created this empty list. Here I created a one more function, chat function, in which we pass my query and call this chat history variable. This is a Python variable. And in this history, we append the role of user and content query. Okay. So whatever I put in my query, I'm a user, I put it my query will store in the this chat box, this list. And prompt token, it's already mentioned. This is a model ID which we call in the variable with tokenization format. This is we have a apply chat template which actually use the chat template, use the chat history which whatever answer will come and automatically store in this chat list. And tokenized false means it will not get the answer, it will not convert into the numerical, it will directly access the text format. And generation prompt, that means this is a very important means, just try to understand. If your question ended and bot will start respond. So how it understand now it's a time, it's a my turn, it's a time to my reply. So at generation prompt true means it automatically puts some syntax at the end of your sentence, which actually indicate to model that now this is your turn and now you start the reply. Otherwise, it can be confused and repeat your question and answer. So here input, I will call talk prompt return tensor. I already mentioned. Okay, it will return the object means meaning of the answer and to model dot device. So now with torch.inference mode, output model dot generate input maximum token 200 and temperature with 0.7 do sample true. Sample true means it's a really allow to give a more creative answer. And temperature 0.7 means if you are you can add your creativity text. Means if you are going in the 0.1 or 0.2, that means you will answer very factfully. Means yes, no only. And temperature 0.7 greater than 0.5, 0.7, 0.8 means you can give some long answer, like just I am saying that this is should be happen like that. So means you can go to the long text with the creative words. It's a allow. So now you will get the answer and you will get the reply. And now it will reply your current question. So this is a split the query -1 means just to return your current answer, not full text conversation. You don't need. Okay. And after that, whatever your answer, it will be again append a role of the assistant content reply means again add in list. And after that, return reply. And this we should be a continue in a loop. That's why I use the while loop. User input will continue taking the input and until you are not writing the quick exit and stop, it will continue taking your input and getting the answer by a model and giving the answer. So here you can see I just written hi, then Gemma answer, I can provide information on many subjects, let me know. So can you explain about DALI? I just asked the normal question. And Gemma, okay, let's divide into DALI here, break down to the DALI is covering various aspects. So what is the DALI? What is the history? And answer in a 200 token should be, that why it's giving the answer. If I increase the token size, then it can be increase the answer. And it's allowed to give a long answer and creative mode because already I set it the temperature as well. And now I written the stop, then after that it's a stop to given the answer. So this is a way to load your Gemma model, simple way using the HuggingFace. HuggingFace is a more popular library to use this Gemma model. In my next episode, we will discuss to how we will apply RAG to make a copy chatbot and which can perfect answer according to my copy related question. Okay, so see you. See you.